How to cook easy beef pares. First things first, let's place meat in a pot with enough water. And then we add onion slices. Add whole peppercorns and some fish sauce. We cover and boil for an hour or until tender. Once tender, we remove the meat and we set aside the broth. Next, we heat oil in a pan and we saute the onions and garlic. We add slices of ginger and then we add the beef. We add some soy sauce, and here I have cloves, so we add few cloves, and bay leaves. Add around 2 tablespoons of sugar, and here I added some more pepper. Next, we add the water used to tenderize the meat. And lastly, we add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We let it cook for a few minutes more and we're done. Thank you for watching.